Hey, everybody, today we're going to take a look, in general, at the possibilities of acquiring Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are two types. Centralized exchanges are platforms where users can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin using fiat currencies or other cryptocurrencies. Centralized exchanges provide a secure and user-friendly experience. Decentralized exchanges allow users to trade directly without a middleman. DEXs offer higher privacy and autonomy for experienced users. Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Bitcoin ETFs enable investors to gain Bitcoin exposure through traditional brokerage accounts, without needing to hold the asset directly. These funds offer an alternative path for those who prefer traditional investments. Peer-to-peer transactions. P2P platforms allows direct transactions between buyers and sellers with security features like escrow services. Another way are direct transactions, buying from friends or acquaintances with agreed-upon payment methods. Bitcoin automated teller machine. Convenient machines where users can purchase Bitcoin with cash or cards, often located in public spaces, making Bitcoin accessible to a wide audience. Mining. Mining involves using computing power to validate transactions on the network. While it's now a less common method for individuals due to high energy costs, it remains a core part of Bitcoin's infrastructure. Earning Bitcoin. Accept Bitcoin for goods or services, or use reward programs that offer Bitcoin as incentives for shopping or other activities. Derivatives trading. Futures and options based on Bitcoin's price allow investors to hedge or speculate. These instruments provide exposure to Bitcoin without direct ownership and are common in risk management. In summary, you can acquire Bitcoin through exchanges, ETFs, P2P platforms, ATMs, mining, earning, or derivatives trading. Each method has unique benefits and considerations. Choose the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Did I forget one? Which option interested you the most? Leave a comment. And I'd greatly appreciate every like, subscribe, and share.